Hi, so today video is the holiday squish tag. So yeah, I got all the questions over here. So the first one is January New Year, and I got this movie cracker because I ate this on New Year, and I celebrate New Year too. So yeah, and the second one is February Valentine's Day, and I choose my I Love page because it says I Love page and it smells totally like Valentine's Day candles, and it looks like rose. So and the color looks like Valentine's Day too. So yeah, and next is March Patty's Day. Probably I'm not living in USA, so I don't celebrate that. So I just gonna show a sketch on someone, and I gonna show my Hello Kitty mushroom. So yeah, show it because my family is around, so just gonna show it at my fan, just straight over there, and I show it, and yeah. So yeah, I'm done with that and success with that. And next is Easter. For Easter, they probably eat chocolate, and I ate chocolate food too. And this is a chocolate food pie chow. So just this. And sorry that I'm keep doing that sound because I got a bad throat and coughing. So yeah. And next is May, spring, and I ate melon bun on spring. So yeah, and next is June, summer, my favorite, and of course summer's really hot. Need to eat ice cream, so I got my Sammy ice cream, my Capybara Sun ice cream, chocolate one, and the vanilla one. That's just over here. And next is 4th of July. And 4th of July, actually, July is a month of my birthday, July. And on my birthday, I ate a lot of donuts and Hello Kitty donuts. And I got 2 donuts, if I'm not wrong. And I got a cake too. So I'm gonna show this shade. My first Hello Kitty donut. This one. And this one looks good. And this is cake. So yeah. And then next is the back to school, and back to school probably I ate hamburger as full burger sometimes. And so yeah. And next is football season, and I don't have any football. I like soccer ball squishy, so I'm just gonna show my cupcake. Convert some vanilla cupcake like that. And so that's a success. And next is Turkey Day, November. Turkey Day, and oh, I skipped one, sorry. And it's October, Halloween, and I got a Halloween squishy with Sammy duck. And this is the tag. And next is Turkey Day, and for Turkey Day I saw some like this kind of bread on the Turkey Day party, so yeah. And lastly is December Christmas, and Christmas we celebrate Christmas and we probably go out celebrate eat anything, but probably Christmas will eat cream puff. Cream puff is one of the desserts, so got my little cream puff. And trying to find the license thing. So I can't find it. So yep. And that's the whole holiday Sketchy Time video. And thanks for watching. Bye.